All right, good. Okay. So I don't know this. Uh,
Good evening. Good evening, everyone. This is Joseph.
okay. Hi. Good evening. How are we all doing? So, I had to. Sorry, please. Can we all hear me? This network. Sorry, can you guys hear me? Okay. All right. So, if you guys can hear me, today I want us to build a. I want us to build a login system. So maybe before um we start, so we'll just create. I'll just go and create a folder. I'll call it login. So you just create a folder on your dashboard.
So, are you sharing your screen?
But you guys cannot hear me.
Like you're not seeing your screen. Are you sharing your screen?
Sorry. Wait, can you see my screen?
And also, so one of the
Wait, can you
I
guys
can't
see?
see you. I can't see you.
Can you see my screen?
No.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'm coming.
We're able to resolve.
Wait, I'm okay. I'm sharing my screen now. So can you guys see my screen? Can you see my screen now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I'm just going to quickly go open a folder. Um, all right, so today um, we are going to work on a login, and I just hope we are able to finish in good time. Okay, so you guys, let's go ahead with the process of let's go ahead with the process of getting our virtual environment. Okay, so let's go ahead and create our virtual environment. So um so my own folder will be, I'm going ahead to create a folder now. Please, let's start creating our virtual environment. So, okay, the next thing is to activate our virtual environment. Wait, can you guys hear me? Maybe that's it. No.
Yes,
Sorry, what? Can you hear me?
I can hear you. I can.
Oh, okay.
I can hear you.
Okay, so we are
So, I
activating
think
our virtual environment.
the screen is called consuming. Can you expand it?
Okay, well, I have activated my virtual environment. So go quickly to keep install. Okay, please. So in case you cannot talk, you can just make use of the, you can just make use of the chat section. Okay. So are we all here? So the next thing we will need, anyway, if you have any question, please just send it as text and just send it to the chat. So next thing is we'll start our projects. So you say admin, Django admin, Django admin start project, Django admin start project. Okay. So next thing is we are going to create the app, right? So we'll now say hi manage dot hi. manage.py start app start app start app account.
Sorry, I think the down admin.
You said?
Then it's supposed to just have then the name of.
No, like I needed to change the directory. That's why it's not working. That was why the other line did not work. So let's go to the settings and add our account to our app. Okay. So next thing is we are going to create a form in account called form.py. So you come to account, then go to a new please draw my attention back if you do not understand. So here you say form.
Sorry, where is the settings located?
Okay, the setting is located under my project. Under my project, you see setting. Have you seen it?
Yes.
Have you seen it? So we can continue, right? Please, if you have any questions.
Yes.
Okay. So from Django, import form. Then from Django, so we need to import some of these modules to enable us to. What did you say? Sorry. Well, I didn't hear you. I think if you have a question, you can just type it in the chat section. Like, yeah, whenever you talk, it's breaking, and I can't hear what you're saying. You can just send it in chat section. Oh, you have to create it by yourself. So one day you come to click on account, click on account. So when you click on account, then you go to new file. Then in new file, you now type this thing, you now type forms. That's when you now type forms.py. Then you now type forms.py. but I cannot do form.py because I already have one. Do you understand? Okay, wait. It seems like most of you guys are not getting it. Okay, let me just start from beginning again. So I'm just going to start from beginning. So firstly, all right, so I'm starting the class from beginning so that if you are not following, so that I can be able to follow. Okay, so are we all together at this point? Please, I need an answer. I'm starting all over again because um you guys were asking so many questions. Please, are we all together at this point? Like I literally started all over again. Sorry, can you come again?
Yes, sir. How are you?
Okay, okay. So the first thing, we already know how to set up our virtual environment. So I'm just quickly going to set up my virtual environment. Hi, VNEV, right? VNEV. Um, okay. So you can just, when you, please, I want to make, just say yes if you are done with this step on your chat section. Just say yes. If you are done with this step, say yes on your chat section before I proceed to the next one. Just type yes when you are done with this stage before we move to the next one. Okay. So the next stage now is for us to activate it. Then so to activate it, you just say dot forward slash um env5 forward slash scripts forward slash activate. Okay, I've activated my environment. So the next thing we are doing is we're installing our Django. So Django is install pip install Django. Then you enter. So let's wait for our Django to activate. Please type yes if you are in same place with me. I don't want to leave anybody behind. Type yes if you are in same place with me. Type yes if you are in same place with me, that you've all installed Django. Just type yes. Okay, it is env5 because that's the name of the virtual environment I chose. So env5 is the virtual environment I chose. One, did you understand?
Yes, yes, I'm with you. I'm still trying to activate my bash environment.
Okay. This when we are all done, let me know. One day, are you there?
Yeah, I'm not my environment. Can go on
Okay.
slash script. Go to activate.
Have you activated it now? Okay, Chris, I trust you don't have much problem, do you?
No, no at all.
Okay. Chris, do you have any challenge? Olami Posi,
Yeah,
are
I'm
you
good.
here? Like, are
I'm
you
good. I'm good.
okay? Olami Posi, are you? I
I'm
think
with you, sir. You can go on.
okay. All right. So the next thing now, we'll now start our project. Okay. So next, now we'll go back to our manage.py, go to my project, then go to settings, then we'll now go to apps, then we'll just add account. Okay. So now we are done with this one. So the next thing we are going to now do is to go to the we go to our account, then go to new file, then you now type forms.py, forms.py. So please, are we all here? Then you click enter. So from here, you now go ahead and say,
Sorry, I'm at settings where I take accounts.
okay, you are,
I'm at settings where I just put account under a stored app.
okay. Then just click on account. So just as you see mine is like this. Then you now click on this file. Then you now type forms.py, forms.py. Please, are we all done? Can I go further?
Yes, from my end.
Okay. Okay. So then, so you go back to the forms.py, go back to the forms.py. So you now say from Django import form, then you now say from Django dot contrib dot authenticate dot model import user. Then you now say from Django dot contrib dot authenticate dot forms import import authentication form. Okay, then next you do is class login form authentication form.
And
Sorry, is anybody having any challenge? Sorry.
instead of admin set up, because file manager the app supposed to be to run the server, isn't it?
What did you say?
I said you use after seeding to the project to create the app, you use manage the pie to create the account instead
Yeah,
of Django admin setup to create the account. So why did you use pie manager pie to create the account and not Django admin? Because manager pie is supposed to be
No, the manage.py, it's used for multiple functions. You only use manage.py to create the project. Sorry, use Django admin to create the project. Do you understand? So once you create the project, manage.py, it's under the project. So you can then now use see this manage.py is actually under when you start your project. So when you are now creating the app, you will use manage.py and not Django admin to start the app. That is for you to start the app, you use manage.py and not Django admin, because manage.py is automatically created when you use Django admin to start your project. So once you start your project, manage.py will be created. So you can then now use manage.py to create the app. Is that clear?
Okay. So do you mind sharing with me the history of the code? Like if you type history on your command, can you maybe drop it on the chat?
Do
You
I
know,
mind
if you
doing
type
what?
history on your command line, can you share me the history of the code, the history of
Okay, wait.
the
Are you not getting the same thing? Wait, I said I'm asking, are you not getting the same result? Are you not getting the same result? Hello,
I'm
Chris.
not getting the same result. I'm not getting the same result. I'm getting different results. I'm getting that same issue you were having last week.
Oh,
Um,
wait, did you run your
so
app?
that's what.
Wait, I'm coming. Let me just stop sharing. Okay, just share your screen. Share your screen. Oh, sorry. I think I did not enable mode. Please, Chris, share your screen. Then let me see what's the problem. Okay, scroll up. Let me see what's the. I mean, scroll up on your this thing. I want to see the command which you run. Wait, go down, go down. Let me see the history again that you just created. Okay, so the first one. No, go down. You are not stable. I can't see where you are. Show me the history. I can't see like down. I can't see anything. No. What I'm just saying is frozen import lib something something. Like I want to see the history. This history that you are saying, it just stop at a point. I can't where the last thing I see is ID duration command line. That's the last thing I'm seeing. Okay, so length is equals to 150. So let's just so required um required equals to true. Password equals to one.
You can't see your screen.
Oh yeah, I can see my screen. Okay, I'm coming.
Hello, sir. I do have a question, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, the last backend class we had,
Yes.
when you wanted to start the project, when you wanted to start the app, you used the command line Django admin startup. Then the name of you're using manage.py to start the app. So I'm wondering what's the difference between the two? How are we supposed to
No, the thing is,
apply
yeah, you can. Okay, so you can actually use anyone. You can use both the admin and you can also use the Django admin for starting your project. Either one, but once you start your project, you can use manage.py to start the app, and you can also use Django admin to start the app as well. So please, there is no confusion.
Okay, no problem.
So are we all here? So the next thing we'll do is we'll go to views. So next we are going to view. Please, wait, let me even ask if we are done. Were we done with forms? Is everybody through with forms?
Yeah, I'm done from my end.
Okay. Allow me pause. Are you done? Chris, are you done? Olabode, are you done? Okay, Olabode, you are not done.
I'm not ready now, but maybe I don't know if that would be
What did you
concerned.
say?
I said the Django, where I have from the Django import forms, from the Django.country, the authenticate and all of that. In my VS code, it's been highlighted with this golden color there.
Okay, so
I hope that will not be a problem when I'm running it.
that would be just send it on WhatsApp. Let me
I can't hear you.
screenshot it and send it on WhatsApp.
So I have another question, sir.
Okay.
This class that was created, are we the one to create the class, or it's an in-class name?
The class, this login,
Is it in
wait,
name itself?
red type here. Login. Login. This is not supposed to be here. Sorry, what did you say? No, the class, you are supposed to like create the class. This class.
Okay. So why are we
Sorry, what's your question?
this class name? The name to
The class code.
or
Okay. I wait, did you form dot py? Wait, the forms dot py, where did you create it from? Wait, this guy. I'm talking to Olabode. The forms dot py, where did you create it from? Was it on
so
other account?
on yeah, the accounts. I clicked on the accounts and
Wait, was it form or form? Which one? Okay, so it's not supposed to like highlight the um it's not supposed to like highlight wait, but did you install Django, right?
yeah, I did.
Can you come again?
I did, sir.
Okay, all right. So let's just continue. So the next place we go to is view. So under view, there's from Django shortcut import render. So we'll now do Django dot contribute dot authenticate import login uh authenticate login. So let's go ahead and say so from Django dot contribute login. Then we'll do from Django dot contribute import authenticate. So next we'll go and create a function, then login view, login underscore um, request, request, then form equal login. Okay. Okay. So from here, we are supposed to import the forms to the form import. Okay. So next is if request the method method equal to um, and form dot is valid.
So the
Sorry, come again.
uh in the forms file is not showing as what will I- it's just
If-
showing as though it is
Yeah, I think we made a mistake.
What did you say?
We used login form.
Use what?
Is the naming.
Oh wow. I can't I didn't get what you're saying.
No, we had an issue with the with importing the class name from forms.py. So I was trying to tell him to point his attention to the naming of the class itself. It
Oh,
seems we made a mistake there. Instead of login form, it's login in form. So I think that's the issue. So I was just pointing his attention to that.
oh, okay. Yeah, so I've already resolved that very one. So let's just continue. So user name equals to form dot thing. Okay, so
Oh, sir.
yes,
So the purpose of this views dot
go back to
the purpose of this views.py is it to handle requests?
yes, yes.
Oh, okay, because I was just That's some uh, so
Sorry, what was the last thing you said?
so I get you, sir. I get you, sir. I thought it was the name.
Okay.
It was like, and
All right.
answer my question, sir. Yes, sir.
So the next thing is create user request. So um so now most of us when you are trying to log in maybe to your bank app, so sorry, did it disconnected? So I was trying to explain to you guys that so when you are talking about backend, this is basically the backend here. So under the view, we talked about MV, Django uses the MVT, right? Model view and template. So the view is what the users basically see, right? The model is the logic behind the Django, while template, it's like it handles like the request process, all of that. And then, sorry, Vue do also handle like the request process. So now the authentication that we are trying to create here is to enable the user and enable users to be verified before they are given access to a particular software or particular program which they are trying to register. It's basically so that's why we are having um all of this. So under this create your view, first is we are creating a function. We are creating a function login view, then form login form data equals to request dot post. Then if request dot method equal to post and form is valid, that's the username and the password. Then user authenticate. So that's the next thing that we are doing. So the username, so let's say you want to log in, the username must match the already username that is there, that you already have. Um, Username equals to username. Um, then password must be equals to password. So let's say you create an account, for instance, and then when after you finish creating the account and you want to log in back, so there is already a database. So the model also like handles the database part. So now under views, you are making a request, right? And then since you are making a request, the whatever information you are putting in must match in with what is obtainable from the database. So that is what will now enable the user to be authenticated in the program. So that's for view. So is not, if user is not known, so uh, this still takes us back to the conditional statement that we have been doing. So that's why I said everything here is still going back to the foundation which we have done. Everything is still going back to foundation. So now, the first if conditional statement is the um, when the values that was entered is correct. That should be like the authentication. Then if it is not correct, then this is what will happen at the end of the day. So authenticate login. Okay. Request user. Okay. Request user. Return return redirect, redirect, redirect home. Redirect home. So the user will be redirected back home. That's what this means. The user will be redirected back home. The user will be redirected back to the home page or dashboard. Or dashboard. Then return request, return render request. Okay. Render account / login login HTML. Okay, I'm coming. I'm trying to understand why. Sorry, please, are we all here? Are we all in the same page?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me just okay. So the next thing we are going to be creating is our URL. So we'll go back here. So we'll be creating URLs. So you come back to your account. Then you create URLs dot hi. So the URLs are like, we already know, like that's like linking. So what we are doing, it's basically linking. So we will now go ahead and say from Django URL, Django Django.url import part, import part. Then you can now say from dot views, import login view. Then we can just go to the URL pattern. So it's a part.
Hello, sir.
Yes, I can hear you.
So there's one URLs.py
No,
file
you
already.
no, that one is under my project. That's for the general one. Just go to accounts and create the URLs.py.
Okay, okay, no problem.
Yeah. So this URLs.py is under this my project. Then but you go to account and then under account you now click and then go to this new file. Okay. Sorry. Let me just take off this. Okay. Okay. Um, Olami Posse, are you following? Are you lost in any way? Okay. So then after you are done with this one, then you now come back to the urls.py on in the general one. So you just come under here, then you go ahead and say path. So you just add the path and say account forward slash. Then you can say include. Add include here. Okay, please, you guys let me know. Okay, so the next thing we are doing now is to create template. So please, if you are with your notebook, I need you to just write these steps. So the first thing we did, we set up Django project. So the next thing we did was we create the login form, then we created view, then we created URL, then The next thing we want to do now is we want to create the login template. So to create the login template, we'll go to account. Oh shit. Oh, you can't hear me. Wait, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so we go to account, then you now go to new yeah, then you now type templates. Then you enter. Then you now inside template, you now create a new file. Inside template, you now create a new file. So the new file will be called login.html. Then you enter. So please, I want to make sure that are we all here? Are we all in the same place?
I'm kind of lost there, but you can go on as long as the class is ready. I can always
No,
go
so
back.
just go to migrations. Go to migrations. Then, sorry, I say migration. Go to account. Then in account, click on new folder. Then type templates. Then after you've typed templates, enter. Then in templates, you now click on new file. Then you now type login.html.
Okay.
Please, you guys should try it.
New folder. From new folder, we'll create template.
Chris, are you
Template.
following?
So, HTML.
Okay, wait. You know what? Let me just save this class, then send it. Then let me just complete the course. I'll just complete it, then send it to you guys. Since the call keeps
Okay.
I'm having network issues. It's cutting and reconnecting again.
Okay.
Yeah.